Are you ready to learn how to make money fast from the comfort of your own home by creating profitable trendy news sites? Now, you might be wondering, how can I capitalize on the latest trends and turn them into a lucrative online business? Well, the answer lies in creating your very own trendy news site. With the rise of digital media consumption, there's never been a better time to cash in on the latest headlines and viral stories. First things first, you'll need to choose a niche that's both profitable and trendy. Whether it's entertainment, technology, lifestyle, or finance, find a niche that resonates with your target audience and has the potential to attract advertisers. Next, it's time to set up your website. Platforms like WordPress make it easy to create a professional-looking site without any coding experience. Remember to choose a catchy domain name and invest in a sleek design that captures the attention of your visitors. Now, let's talk money. There are several ways you can monetize your trendy news site, from display advertising and sponsored content to affiliate marketing and selling digital products. By diversifying your revenue streams, you can maximize your earnings and create a sustainable online business. And there you have it, folks. With the right strategy and a bit of hustle, you can make money fast online by creating profitable trendy news sites. Be sure to click the link in the description below to watch our full video for an in-depth guide on how to get started.